Muslim boys' names starting with the R with meaning in English by Ifactner. Raaim means respectful. Rakin means symbol. Raashid means arranger. Rabah means divine. Rabeea means spring, fragrant, sweet-smelling breeze. Raees means rich, wealthy. Rafal means mercy, elevation. Rafeeq means friend, companion. Rafee means kind friend, high, exalted. Ragheb means desiring, willing, carefree. Rahat means comfort. Raheel means one who shows the way, fearless, brave. Raheem means merciful, most kind. Rahib means traveler. Rahmaan means merciful, forgiving, compassionate, affectionate. Raihaan means a sweet-smelling plant, any flower besides rose, or comfort. Rajab means hope. Rajab means seventh Islamic month. Rakheeb means dazzling. Rakhshan means respectful. Rakin means attainment, success. Ramadan, Ramzaan is the Muslim month of Ramadan. Ramis means symbol. Raouf means luster. Raouf is one of the 99 names of Allah. It means watchman. Rashaad means maturity, guidance, a righteous life, integrity of conduct, good judgment, good sense. Rashaad means good sense, maturity. Rahmaan means fame. Roda means refreshment, rest. Raihaan means sweet basil, favored by God, fragrance. Raihaan means full, pretty. Raza means wish, agreement. Razik is one of the Allah's attribute. It means the provider, the sustainer. Razak means one who provides the necessities of life. Rahmaan means mercy, kind. Raza means protector, devotee. Riyadh means garden of Jannat. Rida means acceptance, goodwill. Ridwan means pleasure, contentment, approval. Rifa means highness, elevation, dignity. Rishad means garden, meadow. Riyadh means gardens. Riyadh means rule, dominion, government, nobility, high-mindedness. Riyasat means practice. Rizwan means guard of the gate of heaven, messenger of good news. Rukn means firm, steady, reliance. Rushdi means attractive. Rushil means brave fighter. Ruvaid means exalted, high. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me. Please note one thing, that these names are shared for knowledge sharing purposes. If you want to name your baby or you want to confirm a name of your baby, then please consult a local scholar or a dictionary. Names can be spelled and pronounced differently in different cultures and languages. Thank you very much for joining me. I will see you next time. Until then, take care. Keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.